Hi guys, I'm Abhinav. This is my KTM 390 Adventure and it is extremely dirty right now. That's because I just did a trail on it yesterday, and in this video I'm going to talk about a problem that I have been facing on the trail quite a lot. Now, if you're riding on the trail, sooner or later you probably will crash. That's inevitable. It's going to happen. You're going to drop your motorcycle. Now, the thing with this motorcycle is, even if you drop it at very low speeds, let's say it's a controlled fall. You're at 0 kilometers an hour and you just place it down on the right hand side. What happens is the uh, brake lever, the rear brake lever, this one, it sort of folds. So this makes contact with the ground, and if you'd see, the one that I have on my motorcycle is completely mangled up. I've only had two falls on the right, and in the very first one, it just got bent out of shape completely.
But I like this trail for the fact that it's slightly technical in the sense that at least it's not just dirt or a mud track which is just flowing. Okay, this happened. So my rear brake lever is completely smashed.
So a good thing is, if the camera can just stay close here, this is held by two screws. I've taken off this screw, because I'm going to show you how to replace this. So it's just held on by two screws, and it's adjustable for position. If you've got a short foot, you can have it closer. If you've got a long one, you can have it further away. Now, the thing with this is, right now parts are extremely difficult to come by with the COVID situation. So this, I'm assuming, cannot be more than 200 rupees or so, this particular tip. Now, I have a friend, Saurabh Shirke. He runs SS Motocorp, and Saurabh has come up with a replaceable brake lever tip, which is made out of aluminium and it is foldable. Now, I have it right here with me, and let me show it to you. So if you'd see, the idea is that when this takes the impact, because it doesn't fold up, there's no hinge, it takes all the impact and it bends out of shape. Now, what I have here with me, this is made out of aluminium. This is CNC'd with a water jet and then CNC milled. Now, when you have this over here, when this takes the impact, it folds up and then it comes back into place. So it's held by these springs and clamps that he's made. So, and it's got these metal pins for additional grip when you stomp on it with your shoe. So the idea here is, it takes the impact, folds up, comes back into place. Similarly, if you hit a rock, it's designed in a way that it takes the impact, it's going to bend up and spring back into place. So without wasting a lot of time, I'm just going to swap it, and I'm going to show you what is needed and how to do it. So we'll need a 4mm Allen key for this, and I'm just going to take this off. Yeah. Alright, so if you'd see, two bolts, there are four positions over here where you can screw the bolts in. So you can have it here closest to you, or middle position, or as far as it can. I had it in the stock position, which was the middle. I wear a size 11 boot, and yeah, these are the screws that it is held by. Now, the foldable tip that Saurabh has made, it comes with its own set of screws. These are longer because this is slightly taller. The height is definitely more. So I'm going to place it in the middle here. Let me see. This one. I'm going with the same position that I did earlier. So now what I can do is I can, based on the positioning, the placement of my foot, I can have it close, I can have it further back, so it just provides a bit more adjustability than the stock one. And just like that, it is installed on the motorcycle. Now, because of these pins, you'll get the additional grip when you have your boot on, and you'd be able to, feel it much better. The cost of this unit is 2650 rupees. Now, you might think that, this probably is worth 200, 300 rupees, and this is worth 10 times, which by the way also includes GST and the shipping cost anywhere in India. Now, if you have something like this, one fall and just see what it is reduced to. Do you really want to, try and hammer it back in shape on the trail? No, you probably wouldn't want to do that. So something like this, if it holds up on the trail, is definitely a worthy addition on the motorcycle, in my opinion. So I'm just going to lay the bike down. Okay, so this is how, let's say on a trail you drop it and the bike is like this. So it has folded. If you can, I don't know if you can see from here. Yeah, so it just folds, because if the bike's gonna go down, it's definitely going to touch. So I'm gonna pick up the motorcycle now and then we'll see. Obviously there'll be no damage to it because I just kept the motorcycle down. But the idea was to show you that the brake lever tip, it comes into contact very, very quickly. Yeah, so it just sort of dug into the ground. Nothing will happen to it, but it's definitely going to make contact. So every time it hits something, it'll fold up and down. So this brake lever tip, it costs 2650 rupees, which includes GST and it also includes shipping. Now Saurabh is only left with 10 pieces of this unit of the rear brake lever tip that he's made. He's thinking of a redesign. So if any of you would like to buy this, I'm going to leave his contact details in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Abhinav. Have a nice day. Bye bye.